Okay guys, today we're going to show you how to do the diffuser lip. So obviously we do the plastic smaller version in these, various different colours. And we also do a genuine carbon black one and the Italian flag. So we're going to stick the Italian flag one on. So you can see there, one edge is deeper than the other. Now it physically fits that way, but sticks out too far and you don't get a full. It doesn't sit further back, so if you want it to stick out further, obviously stick it on that way. The correct way is the shorter edge at the top, so you can see there, properly locks in and fits like that. So obviously the tricky part is all this glue inside, which I'm going to do in a minute, but I won't bore you with that bit. So a decent primer as always, especially on outside bits. Obviously it being out in the elements, so you're just going to basically wipe all the area of that with the adhesion wipe. All the way across the front there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to peel off this tape. As you can see, it's a bit of a nightmare, so I've brought my scissors out. And you're basically just going to get that under there and peel it. So we'll do all that and we'll come back to you in a minute.
Some days I feel profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than.
Okay guys, so you can see there it's all fitted. I won't tell you what a pain peeling all that is. It's just took me about 10 minutes, so it's a good job we didn't do that on the video. As you can see, it's all down the bottom, so obviously you've got to get something like a pair of scissors, get all that off, rub it down obviously before you're peeling this, and then obviously go around each side. It takes ages, but it's just one of them jobs you've got to do to get a secure fit. So you can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Loads of other bits of carbon on there, so obviously have a look through the product catalogue. Thanks for liking, subscribing, etc. Till next time.